Hi. So I'm in Maida Vale Studios in London, and I'm here to show you this. This is the first ever Solar Sound Mark II tone bender by Stu Castledine. Now, I don't know if you know, but Dave Main, who is maybe our most famous builder and regarded as one of the great fuzz builders in the world, his big influence and one of the reasons he started building was Stu Castledine. And Stu is a master of the vintage circuit. His build quality and is second to none, and he also has a very interesting way of voicing his pedals. So before I plug this in, I expected something just a little bit different, and that's exactly what we got. He's used some transistors in this pedal, and I don't actually know what they are. They look like early Mullard transistors, but I don't know what they are. I'm going to have a chat with him, and when we list these, I'll put it in the description and find out where they came from, and what they're the closest thing to them in terms of a regular description. But have a listen to this. This is so cool. It feels like there's some sort of low mid boost in it. It's got this wonderful middle honk. Lovely musical clean-up. It's almost like if Mick Ronson would have ended up with a Mark II instead of a Mark I, this is how he would have wanted it to sound, I think. Vowly, and just that, just beautiful swell to the sound. Yeah. Stu Castledine, expect the unexpected. I knew it was going to be good. That wasn't a surprise, but that is a really outstanding Mark II. Once again, this is a non-waiting list pedal. We're going to pop these on the site as they come through. There's going to be 50 in total. There's no waiting list. Please don't join one. And don't message me or bribe me or anything. It's not going to work, I promise. But there you are, in this lovely sort of ice blue tight hammer. And with the later Solar Sound knobs. Just sets it aside looks-wise from the others, but an amazing addition to the Mark II arsenal. Very, very happy and wonderful to be involved in this project. There you go. Stu Castledine, Solar Sound Mark II. Rock and roll.